Noah, so you had a question on problem 7 on 7.8, the interest problems. Number 7 says you invest $400 for 4 years at 8% annual interest. If you remember, this is your formula: principal times rate times time equals interest. So the principal is the $400, so we'll put 400 in there. The rate is a percentage, 8%, which is 0.08. The time is annual, so that means 1. So we'll take 400 times 0.08 times 1, and that gives us $128. And that is your answer. Hope this helps. Problem 13 on 7.8 states a total of $6,200 is invested in stock. The preferred stock yields 7% interest, while the common stock yields 5.5% interest. How much is invested in each type of stock if the total investment brings in $389 a year? So we have this chart with 7% interest and 5.5% interest. We can go ahead and transfer that into the rate, which is 0.07, and here is 0.055. It does say annual interest, so we can go ahead and put 1 and 1 there. We do not know how much is in that one or that one. And then we will multiply across. So this one will be 0.07x, and this one will be 0.055y. We do know if we take both of these and add them together, 0.07x plus 0.055y is going to equal $389 a year. We do know that the amount invested in 7 and 5.5%, the two invested together, so x plus y is going to equal $6,200. So we have the choice. We can solve for one of these and plug it in here, or we can do the addition method and bring this down underneath here. So if we wanted to say multiply everything by a negative 0.07, we could do that. Excuse me. Or we could just solve for this for x or y and plug it in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get rid of all of the decimal places. So since there's 3 decimal places and 2 here, we have to go with the largest, so you have to multiply everything by 1,000. So that means we're going to move the decimal place 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So this now becomes 70x plus 1, 2, 3. This will be 55y. And here, 1, 2, 3. So there'd be zeros here. So that would be 389,000. Now if we want to take this and put it up underneath here, we could multiply everything by negative 70. So underneath here would be negative 70x minus 70y. And then this times that, 62 times negative 70. So first row is going to be all zeros. Next is going to be 0, 0. And then 2 times 7 is 14. 7 times 6 is 42, which is 43. So that is going to be 434,000. We add them down, that cancels out. This is now negative 15y, and this is negative 45,000. Then we're going to divide by negative 15. Y will equal 3,000. If we take up to this equation here and plug in y, we then find out that x is 3,200. So y is 5.5%, so 3,000 at 5.5% and 3,200 at 7%. Hope this helps, and I will send the other one in another video.